I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Chicken cheeseburger slider. It's not just easy, it's fun to make, especially with this Hawaii sweet bun or brioche mini bun. Me, I call it the cutie pie bun. So usually they come like a slice in half, but I wasn't lucky this time. So the knife right in the middle. Be a little careful. Voila. Here we go. Welcome to Let's Cook It, everyone, and today we're going to make a chicken cheeseburger slider. So this one is especially for a game night, because game night you're not gonna offer fork and knife on the table. People sitting, enjoying the game, having their beer, they want a quick bite to eat, and that's what made for it. But you don't have to wait for a game night. You can make this anytime, any day of the week, and everyone will love it. So let me begin. I'm gonna dice all the vegetables first. And for the vegetable here, I'm using orange pepper, red pepper, green pepper, and onion. And I'm going to go for a small dice. Onion, small dice as well. And we're going to saute them. Actually, we're going to caramelize them. We're gonna try to get as much flavor as possible from them. So now both frying pan here, I'm using one for the ground chicken, one for the vegetable. I'm not gonna cook it together. And stove on the medium for chicken, medium high for the vegetable oil. And I'm gonna start right away with the ground chicken, because that way easy to separate into small pieces. I'm gonna add just the salt and pepper to the taste. Make sure the chicken cook all the way through. Now let's start with the vegetables. Vegetable all in. And as I said earlier, we're gonna caramelize these vegetables. So this will add a good flavor to the chicken. In the meantime, I'm going to brush the bun. Actually, leave this in the tray. I'm going to brush the bun with the garlic butter. And I'm gonna brush the one in the tray as well. So we're brushing the garlic butter top and bottom. And here I have Monterey Jack cheese, jalapeno flavor, and some cheddar cheese. I already prepare it ahead. And now we're gonna put first layer cheese. And let's check on the stuff here. Perfect, lovely. The vegetable as well, it's ready to go. Turn off, and I'm gonna add the vegetable now to the chicken. You see the chicken here, they're little pieces, we call it quarters, and that's exactly how I want it, because I don't want it super fine. Now add this yummy caramelized vegetable. Into this, I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, pesto sauce, and now let's mix it all together. Actually, you can turn off the stove. So mayonnaise, keep it nice and juicy, and the pesto give you the amazing flavor. Oh my God, smells so good. Looking good. Now we're gonna empty everything on top of the cheese here. And there's something I forgot to mention earlier. I spray the tray with the cooking spray. so that way it gives the bun a little crust and won't stick at the same time. Now continue with another layer of cheese. And the bun, I forgot which side is which. I guess here. Well, anyway. Lovely. Now, again, a quick coat of spray oil and a little bit of mixed sesame. And make sure your oven preheated on a 375, and we're gonna cover it and put it for, I would say, 12 to 15 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. I put it for 20 minutes, uncover it, and put it back in for another 3 to 4 minutes, and look at the result we have. Just enough for the cheese to melt. Now let me serve. Here we go. We need a spoon just to separate them and to scoop it out. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, it is finger licking good. I'm going for another piece. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.